Today in ELGA class we are going to revise Unit 2 Reading and Listening Comprehension and Writing and Speaking Expression. Okay, let's start. In Reading and Listening Comprehension, today we are going to learn how to sequence the events in a story. Okay, now let's read some events and sequence them. Okay. The steps to do this are, first you have to read all the events. You have to read all the events. Second step is think about which event will go under beginning, middle and end. Okay. So usually we split the story into three parts, isn't it? Beginning, middle and end, isn't it? So like that you have to segregate the events as beginning, middle and end. Okay. Then after that you have to order them accordingly. You have to think and order them accordingly. Okay. Let we try to sequence these events in order. Okay. I'm going to read. You listen carefully. The lion laughed and let the mouse go. Once there was a lion who was sleeping. A mouse started playing on it. The lion got caught in a net by a hunter. It roared loudly and tried to escape, but it could not. At the end, the mouse heard the lion and came to help. It cut the net with his teeth and saved the lion. Then the mouse prayed the lion to leave him off and said that it would help him when it was needed. The lion was disturbed and woke up from his sleep. You think and sequence these events in order as beginning 2 points, middle 2 points and ending 2 points. Okay, let me try. Okay. First, I told you that for beginning we used to add the words like once, one day, once upon a time, isn't it? So now tell me, where is the word once? Yes, the second point. The second point is the second point starts with once. Okay. So we can take it that as beginning. Okay. Now read. Once there was a lion who was sleeping. A mouse started playing on it. Okay. If someone play when we sleep, if someone play on us, what we will do? Yeah, we will get disturbed, isn't it? So can you search the word disturbed? Yes, it is in the last point. The lion was disturbed and woke up from his sleep. Okay, like this you have to think and sequence these events in order. Okay, now let me see the answer. Look at here. Yeah, which one is the first sequence? First event? Yeah, as I told you that the sentence that start with once is the first event, isn't it? Once there was a lion who was sleeping. A mouse started playing on it. That is first event. Okay. So that is called B1. B1 means beginning, first sentence. Then where is the B2? Yeah. The lion was disturbed and woke up from his sleep is the second event. Then next, after that, what happened? Yeah, middle 1. So we have to segregate beginning 2 point, middle 2 point and end 2 point. Okay, you have to read the sequence first carefully and then you have to sequence us like this. Okay. Then the mouse prayed the lion to leave him off and said that it would help him when it was needed. Okay, that is middle first event. Then second event, what is the second event? The lion laughed and let the mouse go. Okay, the next, the lion got caught in a net by a hunter. It roared loudly and tried to escape, but it could not. At the end, the mouse heard the lion and came to help. It cut the net with its teeth and saved the lion. So, as I told you, so how you want to find out the beginning event? The beginning of the story always starts with the word once or one day or once upon. Okay, after that, for the middle we use then, isn't it? For the ending we use at the end. Okay, like this you have to sequence the events. Okay, good. Today we are going to learn how to develop a story. Okay, first, can you tell me what are the 5 elements of the story? Yeah, first one is S for setting, T for talking characters, O a problem, R resolving a problem, Y a solution. Okay, now we are going to learn how to develop a story. Okay, now I am going to play an audio track to you, so you carefully listen. I'll ask you few questions. Okay,
Dear. Once on a tiny island near the sea there lived a young deer all by himself. He was very lonely as there was no one to play with him. He didn't even know how to get out of the island. One day, a fish took pity on him and told the lonely deer to follow him to the big forest where there were many deer living happily. The deer tried hard swimming to follow the fish but couldn't. Next day, a swan tried to teach the deer how to fly, but the deer soon gave up. Sometime later, a big elephant passed by the island. The elephant said, "Come, climb onto my back, little deer. I will take you to the big forest," said the elephant loudly. He bent down and the deer hopped onto his back. "Wow! I will never be lonely again," cried the deer in joy. Soon, the elephant and the deer became the very best of friends.
have you listened the audio? Very good. Now, tell me, what is the setting? Yeah, where did the story takes place? Yes, in island. Okay. What are the talking characters? Talking character is deer. Okay. Oh, a problem. What is the problem? He stayed on an island and was lonely, isn't it? And was lonely. He wanted to go to the main forest. That is the problem that he faced. Resolving a problem. What did he do to resolve the problem? Yes, he tried to swim and fly but failed. Okay. What is the final solution? An elephant helps him. He climbs on the elephant's back and they became best friends. Okay, my dear students. Like this, you have to write the story elements for a story. Okay. So today we learned in today's class we revise reading and listening comprehension and writing and speaking expression. Your today's homework is read the story in WS2 and do WS3. Okay. For writing and speaking expression, the homework is you imagine a story and write the story in 5 elements. That is S for settings, T for talking characters, O for a problem, R for resolving a problem, Y for a solution. Okay. So you write these 2 homework and post it in our group. Thank you. See you tomorrow. Bye. Happy learning.